Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you Jewelkeeper Girls Musical Jewellery Storage Box with pull-out drawer, Woodland Owls Design, and Twinkle Twinkle Little Star tune. Of course, there are more other Jewelkeeper's girl musical storage box on the market, like Ballerina Pink, Ballerina Rainbow, Black and Gold, Glitter Blue, Ballerina, Glittery Princess Purple, Light Pink, Mermaid Underwater Pink, or Swinger. It's a wonderful Woodland musical jewelry storage box here. Elegant owls twirl to the melody of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, composed by Mozart. Lined in a pink fabric to safely store jewelry collection. Top section includes ring, roll section as well as large compartment for larger items. One pull-out drawer and moon-shaped mirror included as well. It's ideal for storing girls' jewelry, including bracelets, necklaces, rings, and other product. Precious keepsakes. The measurings are 7.8 to 11.8 to 9.9 centimeters. Wow, when it's closed, you have included the gift box for convenient gift giving. And it looks so beautiful. It's so cute. It's really cute design. I like it really much. And this is for little princess out there. Oh, it's so cute. Look at the awesome thing. Jewelkeeper is a leading designer of children's musical jewelry boxes. All the boxes are made with the purpose of bringing joy to the children and parents alike. The imagination's design include ballerinas, princesses, unicorns, and fairies, and enchanting fairy tale and storybook characters. Each of the music boxes opens to a tiny figurine, twirling to enchanted music. Jewelkeeper music boxes make of magical gifts and are sure to bring a smile to every child who receives one. And of course, if you like it, you can be an adult too for this. It's so beautiful and good designed. The box is so nice. On its they wrote on it, "Love you to the moon and back." This is poetic, isn't it? And there are so nice designs and paintings on the outside. And in the inside area, oh, this is awesome too. This Jewelkeeper music box is packed in a beautiful box, completely ready for gifting. It looks awesome, and now let's hear that awesome sound. And let's have a look to the Woodland Owls, which are going to rotate and have some fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. Memories for the entire of your life.